Number 10, just like number 9, go ahead and establish your 90-degree angle here. We've got an acute angle here with one side. We're asked to find x way over here. Okay, so I need you to find this side here, okay, in blue, because you got to come over here, finish up, just like we did, one above, number 9. Okay, name the sides. Here's your 90. This is the hypotenuse. Okay, the two sides that form the acute will always be adjacent and hypotenuse. Okay, once you find the hypotenuse, then you come over here and notice that this acute angle, here's your 90. This is hypotenuse, but we won't use it, will we? We kind of come over here and find x, which this piece here now becomes opposite. Okay? Remember, the two pieces that form the acute angle will always be hypotenuse and adjacent. So this is going to be changed to adjacent. It's no longer hypotenuse anymore for this in blue. Okay? So now, what trig function uses opposite and the adjacent? All right, that's going to be tangent. You need to get your fraction set up correctly, and then you 3-1 that. See how well you do on that. Finish up.